Okay, so I don't know how much of me that you can see because I got the camera back as far as it'll go. If it goes back any further, it's going to fall down the steps into the basement. So anyways, I'm kind of excited because I get to use my new tripod that I just got. I bought it on Amazon, and it's called a, what is it? It's a, oh, you get a bag with it in case you want to go hiking. Take it with you, put it over your shoulder. It's called a UB size. It's 67-inch tall tripod with all the features. You know, you can pan it, you can turn it, zoom it, spin it. There's not much that you can't do with it. I think I paid $35 or thereabouts on Amazon after I checked out some customers that really liked it, because I mean there's so many to choose from. I was like, what the heck? So anyways, here's the door I've been working on, and I just thought I'd give you a real super quick. I'm feeling kind of triumphant today because it's pretty much done. About the only thing that's not done is I need to squirt a little bit of insulation in here. But the can that I got with the kit doesn't work. Nothing comes out of it. I don't know what's up with that. I got to take it back and get another one. And then of course I got to, you know, fix the drywall, put the wall back together. But so before I put the weather strip on, if I just went like that, that door would have shut all the way, clicked, and it was actually kind of too loose. You know, it shouldn't be that loose, and it kind of clicked a little bit loudly because of that. Of course, I'm in this like hallway tunnel here, so it's kind of echoey. But anyways, after I put the weather strip on the bottom, and there's also these little, I don't know if you probably can't see this, but down here at the bottom there's these little pads that they give you that stick on in the corner. You get it with the Jamb, with the kit, and the door hits that also when it closes, which is all a sealing, water and air sealing. Okay, and with the weather strip on the bottom, you want that to just to sweep across the threshold there. You probably can't see this, but it's got an adjustable sill on it. You can turn the screws and raise it up or down to get the height of the sill just exactly right, because when the door closes you want that weather strip to sweep across it just enough so that it stays in contact with it, but not so much that it's too hard to open and close the door, and then it'll wear the weather strip out right away. So now, you know, when I go like that, it stops there because it creates a vacuum, and because you know, the weather strip is bumping. But then, you know, if you just push it and it closes, and that's it. I mean, I'm happy with it. It's pretty darn good. There wasn't a lot of room to play with. You can see that there's not much gap here. There's not much gap here. I mean, you got to get the thing just right. There's a little bit of gap at the top. There may be a 32nd, maybe as much as a 1/16 of an inch difference across there, and that's just the header. You know, and I shimmed it as well as I could. Got it as close as I could, but it was good. It was good enough. I didn't want to mess with it anymore. It's good enough. The door never gets used anyway. So now I get to go outside and put everything back together, put the siding back on, and then go back to work on the deck, which is how this is all started. But you know, the door is installed, so I'm feeling pretty good about that today, and it works pretty darn good. You know, I can lock it. There it's locked. There it's unlocked. There it's closed. Well, that didn't close all the way, see, because it creates that vacuum, which actually slows it down. Boom. Beautiful. All right. And I love the tripod. Works pretty darn good. I don't know how well you can see me right now. I might be way over here or something, but it's okay.